Hey guys, it's the vwnut Garage, the VW 1967 channel. The vwnut Garage, VW. Hey guys, it's the vwnut channel, the vwnut 1967 Garage. Today we're going to do a couple of things. I need to get the canoe out and get it cleaned up because I use that for lots of bass fishing this time of year. Right through the end of summer, every chance I get. So we got to get that cleaned up. Also, my Honda car has a pretty serious stereo system in it. And Sage and I were rolling around this morning and blew a couple of speakers. So we need to replace those speakers with those speakers. Just because we have them in stock, so that's what we're going to use. So we'll get to doing that. I'll bring you guys back and show you what we've got up to. Alright, so we got those installed in the Honda car. Moving on to the Canoe, I think. Yeah, definitely next is the Canoe. We're riding Ruby too. Sage needs a haircut. We'll take him in Ruby to get his hairs cut. We're also working on some bicycle modifications today. Glass bottom boat rides, anyone? Nice, I had to bring the lowrider to the bug section so I can make room for my canoe inside. Alright, so the canoe's in here. We're just going to hit it with a little bit of compressed air. I need to wipe down the other side. I don't know if you can buff or shine this surface, but we're going to find out today together. So, you guys are going to get a little bit of music of my choice and some high speed. Alright, so I was always taught to try a spot, so that's what we're going to do. I just have a little bit of the McGuire's cutting compound, and I'm just going to put it on a on a wax on pad. I mean, maybe with the machine it'll get shinier. I'm gonna try a spot right up here with the machine. All right, so I'm just gonna hit it with a worn out old foam pad, and let's see if it makes a difference. All right, now we'll start buffing. I guess we'll have to adjust our setup for some high speed. Alright, now we'll go back to buffing. I am most definitely going to continue doing that. I hope it's coming out in the camera. It is kind of, you can see where I stopped. So we'll continue on down both sides and you guys will get to see. I'll bring you guys back for some highlights. Alright, so I don't know if it's coming out in the camera or not, but I can tell you that it's making a big shiny difference on the Canoe. We're just past the Mount Washington sign now with the buffing. It's not taking very long, it's not hard, and I like the finished product. So we're going to continue to clean up the Canoe. You guys will get more high speed and get to see how long it takes really fast like. And I'll bring you right back. Alright, so I'm going to do around the stickers on this side first, then we'll come back and buff this side. Thought I'd turn you guys on and share with you. Are you fast? Alright, so I'm just going to quickly blow out the interior. You can see how easy it is. We have some of them beach chairs that make it a real comfy canoe. I'm going to take you guys fishing with me this year, you'll see. But this thing is awesome. before sitting around on a lake and doing some fishing. Alright, so that actually does happen. We do sometimes take the bug to go fishing with the canoe. That's not what's happening there. That's just a pile of my chores done and making room for me to get the 64 out of the backyard so it's not outside tonight. That's going to do it. So yes, you can buff your canoe. Yes, it makes a difference. I'm happy with the way it turned out. I'm happy you guys came along to see what I was up to today. I'm going to start building the fence for out of the pallets. I think that's happening later today too. What do you say we go get the lowrider? I'd like to thank you guys all for coming along with me here at the vwnut garage, and we'll get a lowrider. Let her warm up for a minute while I go move the other cars. Uh-oh, out of gas. Scrape it. Alright, so just a quick update on the fence. This is where the gate is. It's got some hinges. And this is how far we made it this afternoon. Nice, it looks great. Right down. Maybe put one in down here on the end. Alright, I'd like to thank you guys again for coming by the vwnut 1967 garage and hanging out with me. And we'll see you soon.